Cooking and baking are delightful, but it's frustrating when you are in the middle of a recipe and you realize you forgot to buy heavy cream. Running to the store is a hassle, but what if you don't have it on hand? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make your own heavy cream with just two simple ingredients. All you need is some whole milk and unsalted butter. First things first, make sure you have whole milk and unsalted butter at the ready. You will also need a saucepan and a whisk. For every cup of heavy cream you need, you will want to use 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of whole milk. Pour the milk and butter into a saucepan. Now, place the saucepan over low heat. Stir the mixture constantly with a whisk to ensure the butter melts evenly into the milk. Keep an eye on the mixture to prevent it from boiling. We want it hot but not boiling. Once the butter has completely melted into the milk and the mixture is hot, let it simmer for a couple of minutes. This step helps the milk and butter fully combine. You will know it's ready when the mixture has a creamy consistency, just like heavy cream. Pro tip: if your heavy cream mixture separates, don't worry, it can happen. Just give it a good whisk to bring it back together. Turn off the heat and allow your homemade heavy cream to cool down. Once it reaches room temperature, you can store it in an airtight container in your fridge. Homemade heavy cream can be used in all your favorite recipes that call for heavy cream. Thanks for joining us on Blogging Good Food. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. With just a few simple steps, you can make your own heavy cream and tackle any recipes that calls for it. If you have any questions or want more cooking tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration.